Distinguished colleagues, partners, and friends, warm greetings from United Nations in Timor-Leste. This week we join the national government, health workers, communities, and families across the country celebrating World Breastfeeding Week 2025. This year's theme, Prioritize Breastfeeding, Create Sustainable Support Systems, highlights not only the environmental benefits of breastfeeding, but also the urgent need to support supportive systems that help mothers begin and sustain breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is a natural, renewable food source that is produced and delivered without pollution, packaging, or waste. Breastfeeding protects the health of babies and mothers while simultaneously reducing the impact of climate change caused by artificial feeding. Yet for many parents, breastfeeding is not easy, especially when they lack consistent support from hospitals to health posts, from policies to workplaces. Mothers need strong, sustained, and coordinated support to continue breastfeeding successfully. This is why the 2025 campaign emphasizes the importance of the warm chain of support, a network of actors at various levels, including health, community, and workplace settings, to create environments where breastfeeding is encouraged, protected, and supported. In Timor-Leste, through the National Nutrition Week campaign, the Ministry of Health has intensified integrated actions for prevention of all forms of malnutrition. Promoting breastfeeding is a central part of this campaign, and the United Nations is proud to stand alongside the Ministry of Health in this shared mission. Because breastfeeding is not just the healthiest start for every child, but a critical investment in the health and overall development of the whole nation. This World Breastfeeding Week, the United Nations in Timor-Leste stands with the government, civil society, and all partners to strengthen systems so every health worker, midwife, and volunteer is equipped to support mothers, protect maternity rights so every woman can breastfeed without discrimination pressure, and build lasting community networks so no mother is left to breastfeed alone. By working together, we can build sustainable support systems that empower every mother to breastfeed successfully. Let us prioritize breastfeeding and commit to creating sustainable support that benefit our children, our communities, and our nation. Obrigado, Barak. Happy World Breastfeeding Week.